Hello guys, ayan guys, ang aming ulam ay bidbid na may, ayan, lutuin namin ng bidbid, yan, sarap yan, tsaka isda na, ibang isda yan, ibang isda ito guys, kalimutan ko, yung yellow pin, ayan, yellow pin para isda yan guys, nagawin namin may sabaw, ayan, ayan guys, ayan, may sabaw, ayan, sa inyong panood, subscribe and like, share.